Hey everyone. If you want to create a professional resume for free without paying for tools or templates, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make a professional resume for free in 2026. First, choose a free resume builder like resume.com. These tools let you build resumes without any cost. Next, select a clean and simple template. Professional resumes should always look clear, neat, and easy to read. Now add your personal information, include your name, phone number, email, and location. Next, write your work experience. Mention your job title, company name, and what you actually did in your role. Then add your education and skills. Keep everything short, relevant, and focused on the job you want. Make sure your design looks clean and professional. Use proper spacing, readable fonts, and simple colors for better presentation. Finally, download your resume as a PDF for free. Now you can use it to apply for jobs instantly. So yeah, that's how you make a professional resume for free. Follow each step carefully, and you can build a clean job-ready resume in just a few minutes.